If your condenser unit drain line is leaking water inside your house, you gotta act fast to avoid major water damage and mold issues. So, first, check where the water is coming from. Usually, it's the condensate drain line that's clogged or cracked. To fix it, start by turning off your AC unit and locating the drain line near your outdoor condenser. Use a wet-dry vacuum on the drain line's end to suck out any clog like algae or dirt that's blocking it. You can also pour a mix of bleach and water down the drain line every few months to stop buildup before it becomes a problem. If the line is cracked or damaged, replace it with a new PVC pipe or flexible tubing. You can find these at hardware stores, and it's not too hard to install yourself. Make sure the drain line has a proper slope so water flows out easily. If it's flat or sloping backward, water will pool and leak inside. Also, inspect the drain pan under your indoor unit. If it's rusted or broken, that could cause leaks too, so swap it out if needed. Keep an eye on your AC's filter because a dirty filter can cause excess condensation that overwhelms the drain system. Lastly, schedule regular HVAC maintenance to catch these issues early and keep everything running smoothly. One of the biggest problems people run into with a leaking condensate drain line is ignoring clogs until water starts pooling inside their home, which can lead to mold growth. Fix this by vacuuming the line regularly. Another common mistake is not checking the slope of the drain line. If it's not angled correctly, water won't flow out and will leak indoors. Adjust the piping so it slopes downward away from your house. The third issue is overlooking the drain pan condition. A rusted or cracked pan lets water spill everywhere. Replace it right away if you see any damage to avoid bigger problems. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for finding trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with HVAC repairs and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need reliable pros for jobs like fixing drain line leaks, making the whole process way easier for everyone.